Make money online. We know you've heard these words 100 times, but we're about to tell you about a little known trading secret that actually works. What's the secret? We won't keep you waiting. It's called binary options trading. It's commodity, stock, and currency trading, but it's easier and yields massive returns of up to 85% in as little as 60 seconds. How is this possible? Binary trading is simple. You don't have to be a market expert. All you need to do is predict whether the commodity, stock, or currency will go up or down. That's it. If you predict it will go up, call. If you predict it will go down, put. Already, without having any trading knowledge whatsoever, your odds of making money are 50%. Now add to that some trading knowledge and know-how that our platforms will provide you with, and you have a winning strategy. And unlike traditional trading, where you need a large starting investment of up to $10,000, with binary trading, you can start with as little as $250. And instead of waiting days, weeks, or months, with 60-second options, you can get up to 85% returns in 1 minute. But don't take our word for it. Watch how easy 60-second binary option trading is. As you can see, we have a $250 account balance. All we have to do is predict whether the share price will go up or down. 57% of traders think it will go up, so we will call with a $5 investment. And there you have it. We have just made $3.50 in 60 seconds. It's that easy. If you did this for an hour, you'd make over $200. And that's with only $5 at risk. Imagine the money you could make with $20 or $50 investment. And it gets better. Binary option brokers give you bonuses just for signing up and